This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the shortcut itself. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus to start a new shortcut now. Once the canvas appears, add the first action, pick an app action, a system action, or a scripting step that triggers what you want. Make sure permissions are granted for microphone and the target app so actions can run. While you set the initial action, think through the single goal, what one command will do, and where the data should flow next. Next, assign the voice trigger and configure the middle logic. Tap the settings for the shortcut, choose Add to Siri or Voice Activation, and record a short, unambiguous phrase. Then chain conditional actions or ask for input to handle variations, so the shortcut adapts instead of failing. Connect outputs to the next action and insert pauses or wait actions if an app needs time. Make sure to run each action manually once to confirm behavior before relying on voice. Finish by saving the shortcut and enabling voice activation in your device settings, then perform a full live test with the exact phrase. If it fails, first check microphone, app permissions, and whether the phrase is too similar to other commands. Make sure network services are available for web requests, and simplify the phrase or add a confirmation prompt to reduce misfires. For debugging, add notifications or a quick text action to confirm each step runs. That will reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.